Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u anlongi khubor bam ta kasngi. Kametap chandi agitok sangma ka kurim juk mentri rangba ka Jylla kalarung da kajing sngorit kom kanong mi khman naga constituency kambagri West Garu Hills ya kabala pdiang sobha de ulampang ka Iing Dorbar Thomas e sangma ba gitukhat baro. Ketika MLA thamai na kambagri kabla mi khmat ha ka jaka usaling e sangma ubla lej banong MP shakaluk sabha. Haga jingpriang buram ka kerpang ki MLA baro na kiliang bapher kila ai khublei sngoba bat penpau ye ka jingmen halor ka jingwan rung jongka kum ka dekhot bathamai Iing Dorbar. Ulam phang ka Iing Dorbar Thaw Aiñ u Thomas isang malingdo ula penpau ru ya ka jing sngokemen bat ula ong ba ka jingwan rung jongka MLA thamai kan penkran chu ye ka jing trekam bat ka jingyat bet jingyat brenti jong ka Iing Dorbar. Ula penpau ba ka Iing Dorbar ka ai ka jing turkhu ba ka MLA ka bathamai ka na ban train ka banta ka jingman toy jong ki pat pa.
How do you feel about first time attending the session?
Yeah, I feel good. I think it's a privilege and an honor to be representing my constituency and be here today.
The strength of women in 60-member Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has increased with your inclusion.
Yes.
So, how do you feel, and what are the positive steps do you think you can take in this regard?
Well, we have seen that women representation in politics has been always very less. Yeah, and I feel very honored here today, being a woman and being in this house, in this August house. And I hope that with my presence here, more and more women will be encouraged to join politics.
Though you are in the ruling, will you be raising the issues concerning the constituency, the state?
Um, this time I think I have a lot to learn. Still see the proceedings and how the house runs. So I think I will be observing and maybe next time for sure.